Today, one of our activities was to walk out towards the beach, and on the way, we went past the roundabout at the intersection where there is I call it bird sanctuary, where there are religious statues and birds and people, and the birds are fed by the people. So take a look at this after the introduction.
Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing go. Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing, Donnelly wing go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All the birds are lined up here on the wires. The wires go across this roundabout bird sanctuary, but right now they're trying to have a meeting up there, I guess. And then right up here are a few more. The sun is going down late afternoon at the bird sanctuary, and Mike is having a prayer. Mike is having a prayer in front of the Saint Francis and Holy Mary, Mother of God statues. Saint Francis and two Marys over there. Dark Mary and Light Mary.